slip my finger a while ago. Oh. Happy New Year to everybody. Happy 2022. I know everybody experience is different, but for me, I only can talk from my reality and what's here in Jamaica. It has been less than 30 days right now, 111 people dead already. 112 people this morning, as my signer say. Killings, car accidents, all kind of things. It's rough. So all of my people them we live abroad who are Jamaican, for now, in this big C situation, you better get on with it. But I not tell you what I do still. I fool no life. I just tell you what I go and write as now. Jamaica pause. Jamaica dep on a big pause right now. If like way remote, like on a real level, especially entertainment what me do, nothing not go on. My friend, the youth them desperate a road right now. You know what I mean? You go up on the road and you have to fret. You don't even know if you come home. You want to look at work, but guess what? You're afraid. Because you might catch this disease will evolve. A big C just transform, like every minute it got gym and it transform into something else. Like it just not gonna stop. Yeah, it just sleep with everybody and just catch beer things. And yesterday I see one post. Bill Gates encourage America to pump $13 billion more in a research because apparently, based on the direction and what going on now, there's going to be another big pandemic where I come right now. And it's going to go worse right now. So, I don't even know what to do, where to start, what to say. But I just talk to one and just make you know all of this madness what happen right now. Cause it's rough a road and the youth them desperate and a beer robbery, beer violence. It's just chaos right now. No, now Gwan party. Most of Jamaica still out of a job. Even people with them will go UWI. You take up them degrees, still a sit down on them yard. People who qualify still there sit down on them yard. I look in a space. It's worse than before. How are going over there, sir? Yeah, man. As me I say, another man down in the ghetto or another man we can't find it. When him get up a man in a ear female youth and female wife I say, yo, me need this, me need that, me need this, me need that. Yo, daddy, mommy, we hungry. And all them stuff there. And him can't find no other way out. Nah, so what him do right, you know. You know what I mean? See, a bit of things that go on with it now, sign up. When you hear that, you know him go pray. Boy, Paris, it's rough a road. And they really set away still. All of we want things. Me want things right now. Right now, we're supposed to do road. Everything are raised. KFC raised, don't miss sign us. Yeah. Chicken feed raised. And guess what? Now I got stop by. Me I telling you, the KFC stop by, Jamaica split in two. Bruh. Yo, hey, I always tell people this, you know. You say KFC, I can reach one level, you know, man. When you bring a girl go KFC, you know, she can feel on top of the world. She said to her friend them, my friend him carry me go KFC. Oh God, we carry you go KFC. But the man you don't lock me eye. Oh God, and him carry me go Burger King. Burger King. Oh God, that nice, eh? That nice. It's rough a road. And just did one chat to you briefly and just make you know what I go on. And if don't put some joke on it and just flip it and just make it kind of funny. That's the reality right now.
Oh!
But just a fear and something there. Pray. As
Batty boy!
Boy, take bun.
he said she put the dry bun, steel bun. You know, say last week that in her pan.
Oh!
Those 3 John Jubble strand upon it.
Oh!
Those 3 John Jubble strand upon it. Those 3 John Jubble.
Batty boy!
The best thing I can tell you right now, I just to pray. That are the only strongest weapon right now. And for me personally, that has been my driving force, because there are times and days when I wonder, what the hell gonna happen? Because Jamaica is on a dark path, yo. And the youth, them hungry. Know what I mean? Can't just stay each up in our yards every day. Can't go road. Can't even do my full potential video for you know. Entertainment lack off. It's rough a road. But anyway, peeps, that was my 2 cents on the whole matter and everything what go on. Your experience may be different in your country, but what me just talk about, that is the tip of the ice of some of the issues and I real level what's going on in Jamaica since the whole flandemic. You know what I mean? So, yeah, big up on yourself. Just let me know what go on from phone side. Any Jamaicans where they any side of the world, let me know how it stay on phone side and thing. So, me there, the whole peeps them. Think me sinus there. And look out for more videos supposed to come. We're supposed to shoot a video how long one challenge. But baby sinus not sleep, bruh. So I just be a problems, brother. I just want
Oh!
Yeah. Anyway.
Wow.
Let's go and join with your boy. I'm there. Alright?
No matter how the time get hard, man, I go flip the paper. Like COVID could slow it down, go start the bricks for later. Fire the devil cause it real and you're not Mr. Maker.